Welcome back, friends. So we're going to continue working on money today. So I want you to look at what's on my screen. I have some coins. And if you can recall our song, I know a penny's worth 1, a nickel's worth 5. Okay, so I see a nickel right in the middle. So we know that's our largest coin. So that's where we want to start counting. So 5, count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is there? 10 cents. Very good. What could you do with those 10 pennies to change them out for something else? That's right. You could take 10 pennies. You could change it for another nickel, right? Because it's 5 cents and that's what another nickel's worth. Here's one way to write 10 cents, but we know that another way is to put your dollar sign at the beginning. And even though we don't say dollars, we know that there are no dollars there, but there are 10 cents. That's how you would read this, 10 cents. Okay, my first question is, how could you change this to 13 cents? What could you do to get to 10 to 13 cents? Yeah, you could add 3 more pennies. So we know a penny's worth 1. So 10, 11, 12, 13. You could add 3 more cents. Very good. What if you had the 10 cents here and you wanted to change it to 5 cents? What would you do? You would take away 5 cents. If I wanted to take away 5 coins, what 5 coins would I take away to get back to 5 cents? The 5 pennies. Very good. What if I had the money that's out there on the screen and I wanted to take away 1 coin and get back to 5 cents? What would I do? That's right. I would take away just the nickel. Very good. So you guys are good at manipulating those. Let's do another one. Here we go. Get down to the one I wanted to do. Okay, let's look right here. I know a penny's worth 1, a nickel's worth 5. Okay, I see some nickels. If I look on there, I can count by 5s. Always start with the largest coin value. And in this one, it's a nickel. So we're going to start counting by 5s. That's like skip counting. It's also like your place value, okay? But in here, we're just doing the 5s. Count with me. 5, 10, 15. Now we're going to switch over. We're going to count by 1. So 15, what would be next? 16, 17, 18. Very good. Okay, how much is there? 18 cents. Very good. If I went to write that, what would I write? I put my dollar sign. Then I put there are no dollars and my decimal point. What did we say? 5, 10, 15, 18 cents. Very good. This is what it would look like, okay? So how would I change it to 22 cents? Yeah, it's just like whenever we add, right? If I was at 18 and I was on a number line, I could think about 18. If this was 18, let's put my numbers down here. If this was 18, how could I get to, I know it's pretty close to 20, that next group of 10. How close is it from here to here? That's right, plus 2. What if I'm at 20? How could I get to 22? I could just hop and add 2 more. Look at the top what I did. I added 2 and I added 2. How much did I add total? 4. So you're telling me that 18 plus 4 equals 22. Well, guess what? That means 18 cents plus 4 more cents makes 22 cents. Is there any one coin that is 4 cents that is worth 4 cents? No. So what are we going to put there? Okay, we're going to have to add another 4 pennies. That's the only option, right? To get 4 cents, you have to do 4 pennies. That's what we would need to add there. Great thinking. Let's do another one. Okay, if I was at my 18 cents and I wanted to get back to 13 cents. Oh, I have 1 10 and 8 ones. How would I get back to 13? How would I get back? So this is just like a problem like you've seen in number talks or in CGI when we've done word problems. Some minus something is going to get me back to 13 cents. You can imagine it just being 13. How would you get from 18 back to 13? Well, if I know 3 plus 5 equals 18 or equals 8, then I know 13 plus 5 equals 18. Remember, you can always work backwards. You should be able to take this number plus 5 plus this number and get this number, right? All right. 13 plus 5. You should do plus 5. I knew that didn't look right. Equals this number. That's what you should be able to do. This number plus this number equals this number. Or the big daddy minus 5 is 13. So you would need 5 more cents. Or you'd take away 5 cents, right? What's the one coin I could take away to take away 5 cents really quick and efficiently? A nickel. It's a nickel's worth 5. Very good. Okay. Guys, we're going to go down. I think you guys are getting so good at this. You see that one? These are all nickels and dimes. Dimes and pennies. Nickels, dimes, and pennies. Okay, here we go. Let's do one right here. Ready? How much is there? Okay. I can see I see dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40. I see 45, 50, right? And then I see 51, 52, 53. How much is there? 53 cents. How do you know? Yeah, I hope you said something like, I knew that 4 dimes were 40 cents, 4 tens, plus 2 dimes is another 10, plus 3 is 40, 53. Very good. Okay, how could you change it to 60? You could do 53 plus 7 more cents makes 60, because I know 7 and 3 make another 10. If there's 5 tens, here's another 10. That's 6 tens. Very good. And so what if I had 53 and I wanted to change it to 13 cents? Now look at the screen. Okay. Think about that. Let's think about what you know about 13. What's 13 made of? 13 is made of a 10 and 3 ones, right? Okay. So if I want to get back to 13, right, cents, how am I going to get this 10? How am I going to get rid of it? If I took 10 away, 50 minus 10 would give me 40. And 3 minus 3 is what? Is just 0, right? So I would need to take away 40 plus 0. That's just 40. I need to take away 40 cents. And that would leave me with a 10 and 3 left. All right, guys. I hope you do a great job counting your coins today and working with money. I can't wait to see you next time. Talk to you soon.